my jacket that I'm going to design with some African fabric. I already measured and cut out the African fabric that I'm going to use just right here, laid on the top. And this color is really amazing. This is the second time I'm doing a DIY on African fabric, and the glue that I'm using here is actually from Prime. And I remember the last time I uploaded a DIY on fabric, and you guys wanted to know where I get this glue. This is from Prime, and it was very affordable. It was not even expensive. I think I got this one for like 10 euros, and it's really good. You can use it for leather, or you can use it for paper, you can use it for really different fabrics, etc. And it stays perfectly. And so what I'm doing right now, I'm just making sure that I press the places where I place the glue, and I'm gonna leave it for a while for it to dry up.